Hi, we will learn about sensitive information types in Microsoft Purview. I will just log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal. You need to log on to purview.microsoft.com. You click on information protection and then you click on classifiers and you'll see sensitive information types. So what are sensitive information types? So in the process of identifying and classifying sensitive items that are under your organization control, it is the first step in information protection discipline. Microsoft Purview provides three ways of identifying items: manually by users, via automated pattern recognitions, or what we call with sensitive information types, and via machine learning. Now, what are sensitive information types? These are pattern-based classifiers. They detect sensitive information like social security, credit card, bank account numbers to identify sensitive items. And then Microsoft provides a large number of pre-configured service sensitive information types, or we can create them on our own. When you talk about licensing, E5 license is required to make use of this sensitive information types. And these sensitive information types are used in Microsoft Purview data loss prevention policies, sensitivity labels, retention labels, insider risk management, communication compliance, auto labeling policies, and Microsoft Priva. Now there are some categories. There are some built-in information types, sensitive information types that you are seeing on your screen that you can use while creating the policies. And then there are named entity sensitive information types which show up on the compliance console by default. If you click on compliance manager, okay, and then some are unbundled, some are bundled, and then there are custom sensitive information types that you can create from this option. Okay. And then if you see under classifiers, you see EDM classifiers, you see trainable classifiers. I'm sorry, I'll come back to this again. Right, so you see trainable classifiers and then you see EDM classifiers. Now EDM classifiers are exact data match sensitive information types. All exact data match based SITs are created from scratch, and we can use them to detect items that have exact values which you define in a database of sensitive information. Now, if you'll see the sensitive information types, and if you talk about fundamentals or fundamental part of sensitive information type, if I click on this, the built-in sensitive information type, you will see a name and a description, right? What all description they have, and then the pattern, right? Now, pattern defines what this sensitive information type detects, right? It would consist of the components like primary element, supporting elements, confidence level, and proximity, right? Okay, now if I go on to sensitive information type and I look for social security number or SSN, built-in sensitive information type, here it is. Now if you click on it, you see the primary element, right? So what is a primary element? So primary element is the main element that the sensitive information type is looking for, right? And then you see supporting element, which is keyword underscore SSN. Now supporting element, this is an element that acts as corroborative evidence. When included, supporting elements help increase the confidence level with respect to the accuracy of the detected matches. Now if you will see the confidence level, so there are three confidence levels with respect to the detected matches: high, medium, and low. Confidence level reflects how much supporting evidence is detected along with the primary element. And when you talk about proximity, It specifies how close a supporting element is to a primary element, right? So if you see in the SSN, right, there are no matched items because I don't have this enabled in my tenant, right? So if you will understand a bit of proximity, they have the account number, name and date of birth. And then the proximity will decide how match detection works. The process is explained in detail on the Microsoft documentation, wherein you can look at some sample detection criteria as well. Right. So if you talk about the example of the sensitive information types, these are the ABA routing number, Argentina national identity number, and then they have a patterns, they have a checksum, they have a definition, then they have those keywords as well. Okay, and if you want to create a custom sensitive information type, we can use the UI. Like I told you that to create a sensitive information type from here, we can use an EDM. We can set up custom and sensitive information types using EDM based classification. This method enables us to create a dynamic sensitive information type using a secure database that we can refresh periodically. And then you can use PowerShell as well to create a custom sensitive information type. Although this method is more complex than using the UI, but we have more configuration options. And then if you want to test a sensitive information type, you can test it by uploading a sample file. Now the test results shows the number of matches for each confidence level, and then we can test built-in sensitive information types, custom sensitive information types, or you can create trainable classifier sensitive information type, which is not available because I don't have that license enabled. But if we talk about the confidence level that we were discussing, so there is low confidence, medium confidence, and then high confidence. In low confidence, matched items contain the fewest false negative but the most false positives. Okay, the low confidence returns all low, medium and high confidence matches. The medium confidence matched items contain an average number of false positive and false negatives. Medium confidence returns all medium and high confidence matches. The medium confidence level has a value of 75. Now the high confidence matched items contains the fewest false positive but the most false negative. Now high confidence only returns high confidence matches and has a value of 85. So you should use high confidence level patterns and with low counts, let's say 5 to 10, and low confidence patterns with higher counts, let's say 20 or more. All right. In the next video, we will see how to create a custom sensitive information type. I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.